Welcome to box breathing, also known as square breathing or four-square breathing. This is a powerful tactical breathing technique used by Navy SEALs, emergency responders, elite athletes, and anyone who needs to rapidly calm their nervous system under pressure. Box breathing gets its name from the fact that all four phases of the breath cycle are equal in length, like the four equal sides of a square or box. This symmetry creates a profoundly balancing and calming effect on your entire system. The technique is simple but remarkably effective. You breathe in for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 4, breathe out for a count of 4, and hold empty for a count of 4. Then you repeat. The equal duration of each phase creates a sense of order, control, and calm that directly counteracts the chaos and overwhelm of anxiety. Find a comfortable seated position with your spine upright. You can sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor, or sit cross-legged on the floor or a cushion. Rest your hands comfortably on your knees or in your lap. Close your eyes, or if you prefer, keep them open with a soft downward gaze. Before we begin the box breathing pattern, let's take a few natural breaths to establish a baseline. Just breathe normally for a moment, noticing your breath as it is right now without trying to change it. Notice if your breathing is fast or slow, shallow or deep, smooth or choppy. Just observe with curiosity and without judgment. Box breathing works because it activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's built-in calming mechanism, while simultaneously engaging your prefrontal cortex, the thinking part of your brain. When you're anxious, your amygdala, the fear center, is hyperactive, and your prefrontal cortex is somewhat offline. By giving yourself a task that requires concentration and counting, you're bringing your prefrontal cortex back online, which helps regulate the amygdala. The slow, controlled breathing directly stimulates your vagus nerve, which triggers the relaxation response. The breath holds are particularly important in this technique. Holding your breath after the inhale allows oxygen to fully saturate your bloodstream and creates a brief, controlled stress that paradoxically trains your nervous system to stay calm under pressure. Holding after the exhale trains your tolerance for discomfort and creates a moment of complete stillness and emptiness that can be profoundly peaceful. Let's begin. We'll start with the inhale. Breathe in smoothly and steadily through your nose for a count of 4. Not a rushed count, but a comfortable, even rhythm. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fill your lungs comfortably, but not to the point of strain. Now hold your breath at the top of the inhale. Lungs full, but not gripping or creating tension. Just a calm, comfortable hold. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your throat and chest soft even while holding. Now exhale smoothly and completely through your nose for a count of 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Empty your lungs steadily and evenly, releasing all the air. Now hold your breath at the bottom of the exhale. Lungs empty, but again without tension. This empty hold might feel slightly uncomfortable at first. That's normal. Just stay with it calmly. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one complete box breath cycle. Let's do another one together. Inhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold full for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold empty for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. One more guided cycle, then I'll let you continue on your own. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now continue this box breathing pattern on your own for the next several minutes. Keep the rhythm steady and even. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4. Find your natural pace with the counting, not too fast, not too slow. I'll guide you periodically, but mostly you'll maintain the rhythm independently. As you practice, you might notice your mind trying to wander into worried thoughts or anxious storylines. That's completely normal and expected. When you notice your attention has drifted away from the breath and the counting, simply and gently bring it back. No judgment, no frustration. Just return to the box. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. The repetitive nature of this practice is part of what makes it so effective. It gives your mind something simple and concrete to focus on, which interrupts the anxiety spiral. You might also notice physical sensations arising, maybe lightheadedness, tingling in your hands or face, yawning, the urge to take a deeper breath, muscle twitches or releases. All of these are normal and indicate that your nervous system is recalibrating, shifting from sympathetic activation to parasympathetic relaxation. If any sensation feels too intense, you can always take a few normal breaths before returning to the box pattern. This practice should feel challenging but not overwhelming. The beauty of box breathing is its simplicity and its portability. You don't need any special equipment or setting. You can practice this anywhere, sitting at your desk, in your car, before a difficult conversation, in a bathroom stall during a stressful workday, on an airplane, waiting in a doctor's office, before bed, first thing in the morning. No one even needs to know you're doing it. It's completely internal and private. Let's continue the practice. Stay with the 4-count rhythm. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Your only job right now is to maintain this pattern, to keep breathing in this structured, intentional way. As you continue, imagine that with each complete box cycle, you're building a sense of order and calm in your nervous system. Each cycle is like adding another brick to a wall of inner stability. The chaos and reactivity of anxiety are gradually being replaced by steadiness and presence. You're training your system to remain calm and controlled even when circumstances are difficult. Some people find it helpful to visualize an actual box or square as they breathe. As you inhale, imagine tracing up the left side of a box. As you hold, trace across the top. As you exhale, trace down the right side. As you hold empty, trace across the bottom, completing the square. Then start again. This visualization can help anchor your attention and make the counting easier. You can also coordinate box breathing with your heartbeat if you're able to feel your pulse. Instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, you count 4 heartbeats for each phase. This creates an even deeper coherence between your cardiovascular system and your respiratory system. Continue breathing. Box breath after box breath. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Notice how your body begins to settle more deeply with each cycle. Your heart rate is probably slowing, your blood pressure is likely dropping, your muscles are releasing, your thoughts are quieting, all from this simple, structured breathing pattern. After you've been practicing for several minutes, you might notice that the 4-count feels too easy, too short. If that's the case and you want more challenge, you can extend the count. Try 5 counts for each phase instead of 4, or even 6. The box remains square, all sides equal, but the size of the box increases. Start with 4-count box breathing and over weeks or months of practice, gradually increase to 5-count, 6-count, or even longer if your lung capacity allows. For now though, let's stay with the 4-count pattern. Continue for a few more cycles on your own. Maintain that steady rhythm. Breathe in, hold. Breathe out, hold. In, hold. Out, hold. Your breath is your anchor. Your counting is your focus. Everything else can fade into the background. Let's do 3 final guided cycles together to close the practice. Ready? Inhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second cycle. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Final cycle. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Now release the pattern and allow your breath to return to its natural, uncontrolled rhythm. Just breathe normally. Notice how you feel now compared to when we started. Most people report feeling significantly calmer, more centered, more grounded, and more present. The frantic quality of anxiety has usually diminished considerably or disappeared entirely. This shift happens because you've just spent the last 10 to 15 minutes sending very clear signals to your nervous system. We are safe. We are in control. We have the capacity to regulate ourselves. We can be calm even in difficulty. Your nervous system hears these signals and responds accordingly by downregulating the stress response. The more you practice box breathing, the more powerful it becomes. Your nervous system learns to associate this breathing pattern with safety and calm, so that eventually just starting the first cycle begins to trigger relaxation. It becomes a conditioned response. Breath as medicine, breath as tool, breath as anchor. You can use box breathing as a formal practice like we just did, setting aside 10 to 20 minutes to really develop the skill. But you can also use it as a quick intervention when you notice anxiety rising. Even just 3 to 5 box breath cycles, which takes only about 2 minutes, can significantly reduce acute anxiety and help you regain composure. Box breathing is especially valuable before performance situations. Professional athletes use it before competition. Musicians use it before going on stage. Students use it before exams. Business people use it before presentations. It's a rapid reset button that can be pressed anytime, anywhere. Take 3 more natural breaths now, and with each breath, express gratitude. Gratitude for your breath itself, which is always available to you as a tool and resource. Gratitude for your body's innate wisdom and capacity to self-regulate. Gratitude for your willingness to learn and practice skills for managing anxiety. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes if they were closed. Blink a few times. Look around your space with calm, steady awareness. Remember the box: 4 in, 4 hold, 4 out, 4 hold. Simple, structured, powerful. Your portable panic button, your instant calm technique. Use it wisely and use it often. Ready to walk with intention every day? Download the full set below and bring mindfulness into every step.